Welcome to this piano lesson on the types of notes. Hello again. In this lesson, we're going to look at different types of note durations. In other words, we're going to look at quarter notes, which have 1 beat, half notes, which have 2 beats, and whole notes, which have 4 beats. And we're going to look at lesson 29 in our book and clap while counting aloud. And you'll see that there are X's below the numbers in the book. So for the X's, you'll want to clap. Here goes. The first example is in 4/4, and we have quarter notes, which are for 1 beat each, a whole note, which is for 4 beats, and half notes, which are for 2 beats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was example 1. Here's example 2, which also contains quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. And it's very important that you memorize that a quarter note is for 1 beat, and that a half note is for 2 beats, and that a whole note is for 4 beats, because otherwise you'll wind up giving or taking away time or rhythm to songs and pieces that you're playing, and they will start to sound a little bit unusual. So try to memorize these as soon as possible. They're pretty easy to remember. The quarter notes are colored in and they have a stem. That's the vertical line that goes either up or down. The half notes are not colored in and they have a stem. And the whole notes are not colored in and they are missing a stem. They're just circular looking notes. Okay, here is example 2 from lesson 29. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Final example from lesson 29 contains whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes as well. Here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's important with these exercises to count aloud. That's either count aloud or count in your mind. That's very helpful. So with all of your songs, practice this technique. The next thing I'd like to look at is lesson 30. These 2 songs, Lyrical Melody and The Bells. Let's give these a try. Find middle C with your right hand. These are right hand pieces. They're both in 4/4 time. And the numbers below the letters in these songs are for the beats. That's very important. We've talked about this before. They're not the finger numbers, they are the beat numbers. Okay, so here goes. Ready? And I will count the beats. I'll count to 4 and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try the bells. This is also in 4/4 time. This has a combination of half notes for 2 beats and quarter notes for 1 beat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.